Plenty of craziness in here. That stuff still hasn't been touched. Grant's working on that Emerson. Look at all this stuff we have yet to process. A lot of it made it out. The bronze are still here. The Menka's still here. Some of the stuff up here sold. Some of it's still here. And we got some new stuff up here, including this Encon Casanova, this Heritage, and this footprint vent, you know, Murray Feiss or something. And then over here on the front rack, let's see, got 3 of these Hampton Bays that I actually like. One of those. That's where that Emerson's gonna go. The Panama's still here. Another one of those Emersons. We have 3 of them. Okay. Thanks for watching.